Interest is the amount of money paid by the borrower of a loan to the lender for using their money a specific time. Means what? Interest means what? Interest means व्याज. व्याज जे असतं ते जेव्हा आपण कर्ज घेतो बँकेकडून तेव्हा आपल्याला काय करायचं असतं? जेव्हा तुम्ही पैसे घेतात बँकेकडून तर त्या रकमेवर आपल्याला इंटरेस्ट द्यायचा म्हणजे व्याज द्यायचे. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर 20 लाख रुपये बँकेकडून घेतले तर त्याचे हप्ते म्हणजे EMI जो आहे तो देण्यासाठी किंवा त्या कर्जाची परतफेड करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला बँकेला एक्स्ट्रा पैसे द्यावे लागतात. त्याला इंटरेस्ट किंवा व्याज म्हणतात. समजलं? टेल मी, डिड यू अंडरस्टँड इंटरेस्ट? What it is?
We are getting money from bank.
Yes.
And we have to pay some interest to them.
Extra amount.
Because we are using their money, so that process called interest.
Very good. Understood? Okay. So what is mean by interest? Who will tell me? Yes, Parul. Interest means extra amount. थोडे आपल्याला त्या बदल्या येस हप्ता भरण्यासाठी आपल्याला एक्स्ट्रा पैसे त्यांना द्यावे लागतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड एव्हरीवन? ओके.
So you know that what is the meaning of preservation?
Yes.
So preservation means it is the method to prevent the food from its spoiling. मतलब जो फूड है हमें क्या करना है वो गुड कंडीशन में या खाने लायक उसे रखना है तो उसे प्रिजर्व करते हैं. And the different methods we use for the preservation are here. Okay. The pasteurization is one of the method to preserve the food. Meaning of pasteurization is first milk. Mostly the liquids are preserved by this method. Okay. जो liquids होते हैं वो pasteurization method से preserve करते हैं. In this method what is done first? Milk is boiled. पहले boiling करते हैं and immediately उसको cool करते हैं. First due to boiling microorganisms are killed. Okay. And cooling से क्या होता है? Microorganisms की growth को रोका जाता है. And then it is preserved for 4 to 5 days. Okay. So can you tell me what are the food items are preserved by pasteurization? Yes, Purvi. Pasteurization में बहुत क्या प्रिजर्व किया जाता है? लिक्विड्स. ओके. मिल्क. यस. हाँ. No, it is liquid. Na liquids are preserved. So milk is mostly preserved by the pasteurization method. This is what? Lassi. Actually, what is the lassi? Lassi is the name of girl. Lassi म्हणजे काय? What is lassi? Lassi is the name of girl. Okay. So now you can see, observe the picture which is given in the book. Here you can see the picture of lassi is given. Lassi चं picture दिलेला आहे. Understood? Lassi चं picture दिलेला आहे. You have to observe that picture and what she is doing exactly that you have to see. Okay? You can see here what is here. हे काय आहे? Lassi. Lassi. Who is lassi? Girl. Okay? And you have to observe the picture. तुम्हाला काय करायचं हे picture observe करायचे. Okay, fine. Now you can observe the picture and then you are understanding what she is doing exactly. What is she doing? ती काय करते? Yes, Ananya. She is running very fast. What do you think? Why is she running fast? शरण्या, असं का वाटतं की ती फार जोरात पळते? पण का जोरात पळते ती? What do you feel? Is she going somewhere? ती कुठे जाते का? She is going to anywhere. Can you now open the last page and read the last sentence? What is given? Last sentence. Just शेवटचं sentence वाचायचं आहे. शेवटचं sentence काय आहे? To meet her mama. Okay, that means where is she going? She is going to meet her mama. ती तिच्या आईला भेटायला जात आहे.